390 Wagon Master here. I want to show you guys a neat little mobile that I picked up several years ago. My family and I were convoying between Washington State and Salt Lake City, and so I wanted to put a radio in each car. My kids really dig that. We really have a fun time doing that. And I wanted to put something in my youngest daughter's little Honda Civic, but I didn't want to take up much room, and I wanted something that she could operate easily and would be pretty trouble-free. So I found this TRC 435 at a yard sale, and this was just the size that I wanted, and so I brought it home, put it on the bench, checked it out, and I was quite surprised. So I thought, well, this is going to make a nice little mobile for her. So I paired this up to a Wilson 5000 mag mount, and it worked really well on our convoys. So let's take a look at it here. This is an 1.5 inch high, depth of 6 3/4, and a width of 5.5. Really nice compact size. It has the awesome 21-1172, the famous realistic stock mic. These are dynamic mics. Man, I love these things. They sound so great. They make good replacement mics for Cobra radios and stuff as well. We had a little bit of feedback with the magnetic mount on the trunk, so I put one of these little TKK donuts on here, and that stopped the feedback just fine. So on the front panel, we have volume and on-off switch. We have squelch, RF gain, tone control, CB monitor and PA switch over here, A and L, and then the dreaded channel 9 switch. We have a, I can't remember what this is. This is a 5-segment SRF meter, of course 40 channel readout, and then the channel selector. This has a 2166 final in it, and the PLL is an SM5124. This is Uniden board inside of here, and it's a PA322 AB and 1/2. So that's kind of interesting. Pretty nice little performer. Very clean front end. It's got just a good sounding receiver in it. And what I was looking for, I wanted something with RF gain, A&L, and noise blanker. Didn't have the noise blanker in here, which is okay because this A&L works really well. But when you go between the A&L and RF gain, I really like that. Plus, it has the tone control. So this would actually make a great little base station in a pinch. Put a Radio Shack power mic on here, and you are going to be strapping. So I also like this because it has a very low noise floor. It was actually really impressive. So I've got a bunch of lights on here in the shack, and I'm actually running this off a switching power supply, but I wanted to show you this. No antenna plugged in here. There's volume at 1/2, 3/4, full volume. That is nice and quiet. And like I say, I'm on a switching power supply, which this power supply is just a little noisy. But yeah, really nice rig. All right, let's take a look at the back. Okay, so on the rear panel, we have the ID tag over here, and antenna plug, PA speaker, external speaker, and then, of course, the all-famous Uniden 3-pin plug. Yeah, pretty cool. Let's take a look at the inside. I won't cut the video. We'll just go straight to it. Speaker is soldered on there. Has a little 3-watt speaker on there. And let's turn this upright. If you guys want to pause the video, you can take a look at that. But I really like the setup. Nice little design. And there's the single final in the back, 2166. And yeah, it's a pretty clean setup for sure. Okay, let's throw it on the meter. Everything's ready to go. Let's see what she's going to do here. Let's get this set up. There we go. All right, we're going to read the lower scale. We have a dead key at just under 6 watts. It's probably about 5.5 watts. We're in RMS, of course, so we're going to get a little bit of forward swing out of it, not much. And really what I wanted to do, setting this up for mobile, I kind of wanted to squeeze as much out of here, but I didn't want to go too overboard. It will go up a little bit higher, but then it'll start reverse modulating, and I didn't want to do that. 1, 2. Hello, radio. Hello, radio. It's got that beauteous, realistic sound to it. All right, let's go and turn on the PEP meter and get some feel-good Wattses out of it. All right, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So we got about 18, between about, let's see, we're going to just average about 16 to 18 feel-good watts. Hello, radio. That's not bad at all. So anyway, there you go. She's a little performer. This thing's a little screamer. Good receiver. My intention was I was just going to eBay it or just get rid of it, maybe yard sale it or something when I was done with using this as a mobile. But we've actually done 4 convoys with this now from Washington State to Salt Lake City, and it has a proven performer. And so, you know what? I'm going to keep it for the next convoy. Please leave questions or comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.